Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is a pre-algebra class, lecture 36, example 1. Here also, like lecture 33, we will solve some example. Example 1, we have 3 into 147 plus 2 into square root of 75. 3 into square root of 147 plus 2 into square root of 75 minus 5 into square root of 108. Now we want to find the answer of this question. 3 into square root of 49 into 3. We factorize this number. Also we can write 2 into square root of 25 into 3 minus 5 into square root of 36 into 3. It is equal to 3 into square root of 49 into square root of 3 plus 2 into square root of 25 into square root of 3 minus 5 into square root of 36 into square root of 3. Now it is equal to 3 into square root of 49 is equal to 7 into square root of 3 plus 2 into square root of 25 is 5 into square root of 3 minus 5 into square root of 36 is 6 into square root of 3. It is equal to 3 multiplied by 7, 21 into square root of 3 plus 2 multiplied by 5, 10 into square root of 3 minus 5 multiplied by 3, 30 into square root of 3. It is equal to 21 plus 10 minus 30 whole into square root of 3. It is equal to 21 plus 10. 31 minus 30. 1 multiplied by square root of 3 is equal to square root of 3. It was question 1 and the answer is 3, square root of 3. Question 2, 3 into square root of 40 minus square root of 2 into 250, square root of 250 plus 20 over square root of 10. We want to simplify this question. We get 3 into square root of 4 into 10 minus square root of 25 into 10 plus 20 into square root of 10 over square root of 10 into square root of 10. We rationalize this root. It is equal to 3 into square root of 4 into square root of 10 minus square root of 25 into square root of 10 plus 20 into square root of 10 over 10 square root of 10 multiplied by square root of 10. It is equal to 10. These two cancel. Then 3 into square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 10 minus square root of 25 is 5 into square root of 10 plus 2 into square root of 10. 3 multiplied by 2, 6 square root of 3, 10 minus 5 into square root of 10 plus 2 into square root of 10. It is equal to 6 minus 5 plus 2 into square root of 10. It is equal to 6 minus 5, 1 plus 2 is 3 into square root of 10 is the answer. Question 3, 18 multiplied by square root of 8 over 27 minus square root of 150. We want to find the answer of this question. It is equal to 18 into square root of 8 over square root of 27 minus square root of 25 into 6. Now it is equal to 18 into square, it will become 2 into square root of 8. We can write square root of 4 into 2 over square root of 9 into 3 minus square root of 25 into square root of 6. It is equal to 18 into square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 2 over 3 into square root of 3. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 into square root of 3 minus square root of 25 is 5 into square root of 6. Here we want to write, we cancel 18 divided by 3, it is equal to 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by square root of 2 over square root of 3 minus 5 into square root of 6. Now we rationalize this root. 6 multiplied by 2, it is 12 into square root of 2 into square root of 3 over 3. If we write square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3, it is equal to 3 minus 5 into square root of 6. It is equal to these two cancel, 4 into square root of 2 multiplied by 3, 6 minus 5 into square root of 6. It is equal to 4 square root of 6 minus 5 into square root of 6. It is equal to minus square root of 6. It is the answer. Question 3, question 4. Question 4, we have 1 over 16 plus 1 over 19. 1 over 9 into square root of 1 over 25 plus 1 over 9. 1 over 9 minus 1 over 25. We want to solve this question. It is equal to square root of if we take common denominator, 16 multiplied by 9, 16 multiplied by 9 divided by 16, 16 by 16 cancel, by 16 cancel, 9 multiplied by 1, 9 plus 16. Same rule also here. 16 multiplied by 9 divided by 9, 9 by 9 cancel, 16 multiplied by 1, 16 into square root of, we can take the denominator, 9 multiplied by 25, 9 multiplied by 25 divided by 9, 9 by 9 cancel, then 25 minus 9. It is equal to square root of 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 over square root of 16 multiplied by 9 into square root of 16 into 16 over 9 square root of 9 into 25. It is equal to square root of 25 is 5 over square root of 16 is 4 into 3 into 4 over 3 into 5. Square 4 by 4 cancel, 5 by 5 cancel. It is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by 3. It is equal to 9. It was question 4. It is question 5. Now we want to solve this question. Square root of 28 can be written as 4 multiplied by 7 minus plus square root of 63. We can written as 9 multiplied by 7 plus square root of 7 over square root of 36 multiplied by 6 minus plus square root of 4 multiplied by 6. Now it is equal to square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 7 plus square root of 9 is 3 into square root of 7 plus square root of 7 over square root of 36 is 6 into square root of 6 plus square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 6. It is equal to 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 into square root of 7 over 2 plus 6. is equal to 8 into square root of 6. 6 multiplied by 5 by 25. It is equal to 5. Then it is equal to 7. Now we rationalize this radical. We can write 6 multiplied by square root of 7 into square root of 6 into square root of 7. We multiply denominator and numerator and denominator by square root of 6 square root of 7. Here we have 7 square root of 6 into square root of 6 into square root of 7. It is equal to, we get 6 into square root of 7 into square root of 7. It is equal to 7 into square root of 6 over 7 into square root of 6 into square root of 6 square root of 6 whole square. It is equal to 6 into square root of 7. These two cancel, also this also cancel. We get square root of 6 over 7. It is the answer of question 5. Question 6. We have 10 over square root of 5, 10 over square root of 5 minus 8 over square root of 20, not 0, minus 1 over square root of 5, minus 1 over square root of 5. Now we can write it is equal to, we get here, first we want to write 10 over square root of 5 minus 8 over, we can write 4 into square root of 4 into 5 minus 1 over square root of 5. It is equal to 10 over square root of 5 minus 8 over square root of 4 is 2 into square root of 5 minus 1 over square root of 5. It is equal to 10 over square root of 5 minus 4 over square root of 5 minus 1 over square root of 5. We take the common denominator, square root of 5 as common denominator. We can write minus 4 minus 1. It is equal to minus 5 over square root of 5. Here we get 10 minus 5. It is equal to 5. Now we 5 into square root of 5 over square root of 5 into square root of 5. It is equal to 5 into square root of 5 over 5. These two cancel. It is equal to square root of 5 is the answer of question 6. Question 7. 3 into square root of 5 over 4 plus 2 into square root of 5 plus 5 into square root of 125 over 4. Now we want to solve this question. It is equal to 3 into square root of 5 over square root of 4 plus 2 into square root of 5 plus 5 into square root of 125 over square root of 4. It is equal to 3 into square root of 5 over square root of 4 is 2 plus 2 into square root of 5 plus 5 into square root of 125. We can write 25 into 5 over square root of 4 is 2. It is equal to 3 over 2 into square root of 5 plus 2 into square root of 5 plus 5 over is 2 into square root of 25 is 5 into square root of 5. It is equal to, here we got like radicals. Then here is the denominator, the coefficient here 3 by 2 plus 2 plus 5 multiplied by 5, 25 over 2 square root of 5. It is equal to 2, take as denominator, common denominator 3 plus 4 plus 25 into square root of 5. It is equal to, it will become 32 divided by 2, 16 square root of 5. It is the answer of question 7. It was the class of 34. Thank you.